Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. If you guys have not hit that subscribe button, please do so. And today we're going to be making this super cute Easter Bunny topiary for our front doors. Okay, so we're going to be using these beautiful tulips, these large tulips, and these little Easter pig sprays. I got these at Michael's, these at Hobby Lobby. And I'm using for my planter, so it depends what size your planter is. Mine, I'm gonna use a 14-inch base wreath. And if you notice, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. So counting from the inside, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I have my wire cutters, and I have some floral stem that's really, it's almost like a shoelace. Okay, so let's get started. Around bars 1 and 2, let's wrap our floral stem and just tie it securely and tightly. Okay, and we're gonna bring it around on the second bar. Okay, so now we're going to get a tulip. We're gonna place it, for mine, I'm gonna place it right about over bars 3 and 4. And then I am just going to wrap it around my wreath stem, my wreath base. Okay, and I've already taken it apart, cut everything apart. So I'm getting this floral, these little Easter sprays, and I'm just gonna open it like this and put it around our tulip, and then tie it. I'm just going to be tying around bars 1 and 2. Then I'm going to get this pretty purple. Now I'm going to put this purple one right here. And I'm going to tie that around. Okay. I'm going to get another one of my little spray. I'm going to put it just around right in the middle right here. I'm going to put it just next to it instead of in between the tulip. And then tie it around. And I have about this much left of this little floral stem, so I am going to put that underneath here and just tie it. Okay. And get another floral stem, and I'm going to tie it right around bars 1 and 2 and whatever florals we have on top. And then I'm gonna just double knot that. You can triple knot it. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the dark or tulip and just put that around. You could space it out however much space you want between them. And I'm gonna get another pick and just place it in between. And I'm gonna just keep doing this pattern over and over again until I have done my whole little wreath base here. So this is what our little tulip crown looks like. So let's go place it in our planter. Okay guys, welcome to my backyard. This is cute little vase that I have for outside. So I love this vase, but our Easter bunny topiary is not that tall. So I just got another vase and I put that right inside, upside down. Okay. Do that. Then we're gonna place our wreath right on top, right there. Then we're gonna get our topiary and just put it right here in the center. Now this is this side. Let me pull you guys up a little bit.
And let me turn it over to the other side instead.
And this is our Easter bunny topiary. Isn't it just so stinking cute? Now, because we tied our tulips on there, we can actually rearrange any florals that we need to so that we cover up all of the spots like that might be dark, you know, pull these out a little bit. You can play with it because we did not glue it on. But doesn't this look just super cute, super adorable? These tulip wreaths sell for about $45. And we made ours for under $15. I'm gonna make another one of these and I'm gonna put this on my front porch, but I wanted to show you guys how stinking cute these look. All right guys, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, do me a huge favor, leave me a thumbs up and let me know where you're watching me from. I am in Texas. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I am on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course here on YouTube. All right guys, bye.